How to find your MetaMask wallet address. Need to share your MetaMask wallet address to receive crypto? Let's walk through how to find it. So on your desktop, go ahead and open the MetaMask website or the extension, and then from here, sign into your account and select receive. And then go ahead and select the specific cryptocurrency that you are going to receive. So at the right side of it, you should find a copy icon. Click on that to copy your wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency. You can also allow your client or other individuals to scan the QR code for that specific cryptocurrency. So you can go ahead and send this QR code to that individual, and once they scan this QR code, they can easily send over the crypto they owe you. And that is how you can basically find your MetaMask wallet address. Now take note that the wallet address is different for each of the cryptocurrencies available on your account.